Please subscribe to Alpha Motorcyclist and hit the bell icon to get the latest videos notifications.
And again, in this sultry heat, loads of traffic. दिमाग की बत्ती लग गई अब तो. So guys, unfortunately I couldn't vlog the service part because I didn't get the permission from the manager over here. So I'm just vlogging this part after the service. So I'm gonna show you my bike after some time. So in the meanwhile, I met a great person over here. His name is Ajit. Hello Ajit.
Hi.
So we had a great chat in between, and he told me about his experience, and I think you have bought FZ25,
Yeah,
right?
25.
So what's your experience so far for FZ25?
So actually, it's a I have done all the first servicing of that bike.
Okay.
So it's I didn't try to
Okay.
pick up and
Pull that.
previous month I have got met with an small
Okay.
accident. So
Yeah.
yeah,
So
the
guys,
rider,
Okay, so guys, always remember riding with gear is very important.
yeah.
So
Be careful with that cab drivers, na.
Uh-huh.
I have met with this accident only because of the rash driving of a Ola cab driver.
okay.
So just look, I was in boxer and slippers. That's why it happened. So if you are in your comfort zone, never ride a bike with slipper and boxers.
So guys, always remember
look at this.
proper gear are very
It's
important.
Very mandate for anyone.
Yes, very good, very good. So Ajit, do you want to give any message for my subscribers or anything specific for riding thing?
Ride always, but with proper gear,
Okay.
and keep in mind that you are in India. No one follows the.
So guys, we are in India and we have to ride very responsibly. And just remember, these streets are filled with idiots and you are the only sane person, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. So guys, I'm here finally done with my servicing, and I've done few cosmetic changes on my bike, not that much. And again, in this sultry heat, loads of traffic. दिमाग की बत्ती लग गई अब तो। Bike is feeling extremely smooth, butter smooth. So as of now temperature is more than 40 degrees Celsius and I am literally burning inside my body. This is the level of temperature. So what all changes I have done on my bike, first of all I got my chain set and sprocket changed. Second thing, I changed my back mud guard, the rear mud guard, into the half one. Earlier it was the full fade mud guard. Why I changed it? First because of the cosmetic appearance, and the second thing, in higher speeds it used to rattle a lot. बहुत इसमें vibrations होते थे. So I thought why not to change to the previous one. So yeah, got it. गर्मी में राइड करना मौत के कुएं में गाड़ी चलाने जैसा है. So guys, this is my bike and how this is looking after service. So this is the portion that I changed. So earlier it was full rear tire hugger, but now I got it changed to the half one. So it's looking quite sporty now. I also got my chain set changed because I have already driven more than 14,000 kilometers on Odo. So this was the right time to get my chain set changed. Now after the removal of rear tire hugger, my bike is looking more sporty. On the earlier service I got my front fork oil changed for both the sides and the ball bearing system of both the tires. This was my 6th claimable service, free service so to say, but and it costed me around 2,750 something specific. So guys, it's been a hectic day for me. So now finally go to home, freshen up and just relax. Hi, so guys, I'm finally at home after the service and it was very hot. So I just got a little freshened up. In the end I would like to just end the vlog over here. So remember just 2 liners: ride hard and ride safe.